Yo.
5, 6, 5, 6. Check it.
Alright, yo. I know y'all was waiting for me to flow, but then I gotta go when I'm going, but then I'm leaving, and when I'm coming, you ain't coming cause I'm tripping, but when I'm tripping, you slipping, but I ain't tripping. I'm not telling you to slip, but you keep slipping, and then I'm flipping cause you tripping. I don't need to know where you going cause I don't care where you flowing and where you going, but I don't know what I'm saying. Do you know? I don't even care, yo. Why you hearing me if you don't care what I'm doing? Care where I'm going, what I'm making, but you saying that I'm hating, but you saying that I'm paper chasing. Get your own money cause I'm grinding when I'm going, and then I'm going, but then I'm flowing, and then you see how I'm in the mood when I get good with
my
it.
My name is Karina, ballerina. I got Metharina, and Trina is my queen. I took it to the arena. Karina, I'ma kill this shit like a baseball arena. It's a baseball in the arena. I don't even know. I'm just gonna get the creep. But you gotta get the Rilla, cause Pig Killer is the Rilla.
Yeah, and we not just talking about what we do, what we say.
We talking about what we got and what we play. You don't even know that we got the flow, and we about to go, yo. What you think about that?
We don't know about that. What's up? Yeah. One more time with the pillow in my hand. What?
212, nigga. Dykeman. What? Come see us.
646 sometimes. What's
Thug
up?
life. All them gang signs, nigga.
All the gang signs. What's up?
Think you is, nigga. We chop you up.
That's what we do. We chop the food up. We all them niggas up.
One more time.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know what I'm saying.
She ain't
so how
playing.
the hell you gonna know what I'm saying? Don't even think and try to understand me.
Don't think.
That's not the plan when you're trying to get your Bambi.
Get out. And we got them toes for them hoes. Nigga, do you know? Whole rat. Y'all want me to go one more time and bust this shit?
Let's go. Let's kill it.
Right.
Yeah. This is what we do.
We in the Mac. We got a lack. We sip a yak.
Rat.
All that.
You know what? Let me tell you something.
My phone so crazy, I got you all lazy, and you think that you're Daisy, but you're not. This is the spot. You gotta come with us. If you're with us, then you're not.
Why? We've been around the world, and we don't care about you girls. Come on, we about them goods. We about us goods. We got the goodies. We don't need no hoodies anytime that we going somewhere.
Cause we got the goods behind us. And we not drunk.
Yeah,
that's why you look like a skunk.
Oh, shit.